Suppose we need to select all fields. We don't write all the fields' name. We just put a star in the select statement. Suppose we need to select a specific character. So we use the Boolean condition like. We put the characters which we want to select, and beside it, the sign percentage is a substitute for 0 or more characters. We will take an example about these conditions. So we want to find all fields of all with a registration beginning with the letters GF. So when they said all fields, we put in the select statement the star. So now we are selecting all fields. From where we should select? From car table. Now we will continue to where statement, which is the condition. What is the condition? They said with a registration beginning with the letters GF. So the registration must be in the where statement. When we see the condition contains letters, so we must use the Boolean condition like. Like what? They said GF. So we put GF and then put beside it the percentage sign, since we don't know what are the characters beside it. This will produce the following result when we run the SQL statement. So in the SQL, we have to focus on the select. If they asked us to select all fields or specific fields, and from which table we must select, and we must be careful for the where condition if we have more than one condition.